tool deals, clearance deals, what to buy at the depot. Forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way to rest the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. As you guys did see the increased prices of the string. We got this on clearance, and then this one on clearance, guys. This is a $329 down from $399. I'm pretty sure this is going to drop even lower. This pressure washer. Alright, so you got these hooks here for the garage mount storage, $12.06 down from $14. And then you got that battery organizer for $14, which I think it's a really nice deal. And then you got this, which I did not see exactly what this is. We got different tags down here. So $284 down from $379. This capacity something. You got the vehicle strap. I do have one of these. I haven't used it yet. So $24.98. I might just buy another one if they go on clearance, or actually cheaper than $24. Compact radio, $49.97. Alright, this side we got some drills, old school drills with the cord extension, with the cord, basically plug-in, $81. You got a chainsaw over here for $229 Gen 2, 40 volts Joby. You got the work tunes from 3M. I'm pretty sure there's some ear protection on that one as well, $81. Down from $107. And then you got these pack out vacuums for down to $199. So yes, these are new lower price. Somehow they lowered the price, but if you guys look at the, and then this one's $169. Yeah, those vacuums, I believe it's a buy one get one free, so you do get a free item after that, after that discount. So $89 for this smaller vacuum. This is a rigid. Says 5, and then we got some welders, guys. We never go over welders, so this is the 140 weld pack. This one's $7.99. It is the 140 HD wire feed welder. Very comparable to the ones that Harbor Freight. I know Harbor Freight sells a lot of welders. This one's $89 down from this is the 180 HD. And then you got the torch, the Lincoln torch. This one's for $19. Like I said, Harbor Freight does have a lot of welders. They do sell a lot. But yeah, Lincoln is Lincoln. Lincoln's a great brand. $105 for this auto darkening. Then you got this nice kit. It does come with some gloves, a helmet, and some other accessories. So basically a starter kit, basically. So $149 for that. Now you got the top of the line here. This is 713. Viewing lens there, and then this is $169 with some nice flames and design. Not flames, but some sort of design. Atomic impact and drill combo, $216 down from $269. You get a 4-piece atomic kit for $344 down from $429. And then you get an atomic compact drill kit for $160 was $189. Some of these are not available. You got the filters, $18. And then you got the regular filters, 2-pack of $34.97. Wait for the holidays if you can. But if you can't, then obviously that's going to be your best bet there. And the holidays, they bring it down to like $20. $2.99 for this. It looks like a 6-gallon and 3-piece kit. They still got the buy one get one free on these. However, the kit on the left, that's $169. Some stores it dropped down to $149. Some of you been getting the free battery after the savings, so the tags are there, not the kits, but the tags are there. So this one's $3.99 there from $5.99. This one's the one that I was telling you guys. It's down to $149 down from $169. A lot of people are getting that one with the free battery. Got the subcompact brushless combo kit, and then you got looks like an impact driver for $99 and a drill driver. Reciprocating saw, circular saw, and jigsaw. So $3.99 for 8-piece tool combo kit. This is actually a pretty good deal. These are quality tools. I believe these are brushed tools. So just keep that in mind. But there's still a lot of tools. This is basically something to start off. It'll get you started with all the sorts of different tools. Reciprocating saw, sander, blower, circular saw, impact driver, drill driver, impact wrench. Alright, so they got the Milwaukee cart. This is a really nice cart. I love everything about this cart except for the price. But yeah, I really like the corners where you got that rubber plastic corner protector, and then yeah, 40-inch job site cart for $4.98. It does have a lot of accessories. It does have a powered strip there, and then a bottom drawer. So, and then some push brake casters there. $1.99. This is actually a buy one get one free in other stores. I don't know if the deal's over or not. But yeah, you buy that kit and you get that for free. I don't know. They might be out of the. It might be over already. So, this one's $11. They got them on clearance. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be going even lower. There's a whole bunch of these. Nobody's buying them. Yes, this is they lowered the price to $1.99, and plus you're getting a free accessory. So guys, this is the time to jump into this. Then you guys can hack it. Yeah, you guys can still hack this. You guys can walk into the store and return whatever you buy extra. But yeah, that's a really nice deal on that one. $11 for the polarized lenses. And I got the clear. This is a buy one get one free from the vacuum, so it's $2.19 for the vacuum. You get a free accessory kit. Same thing with the smaller vacuum. However, these are the newer ones. These are the 6-gallon, the bigger vacuums, and that is the air tip there. I do have one of these, not this one exactly, but I have the one that actually the bottom one there. It works really good in picking up the dust. It's like a little broom and vacuum. Now this is a 6-piece shock wave extractor, bolt extractor. I ended up buying this. I'm trying to make a video for you guys demonstrate how that works. You got the buy one get one free from Makita. So you buy any kits on the top, you get a free tool. Those are great deals there, especially that angle gun, the circular saw, that ratchet's really good. The inflator is perfect. I do have that inflator. Alright, so these are the safety glasses that are tinted. These are actually cheaper. These are $8. So $8.80. I ended up picking myself a couple of these. I love these so much. They are the older style though, but they do break, but over time. But I still love them. They're really good, nice pair of glasses to be wearing. You got the Husky white toolbox. Really digging the white on this toolbox. $4.98 as it is the 9-drawer 40-inch. Then you got these, the wooden 72-inch, $4.99. Not really my favorite. It is kind of hard to get out there. You gotta get used to it, I guess. But maybe for some decoration, some sort of shop you want to decorate. And you got this stainless here, Husky. $6.98 is 52-inch with the charger, says. And you got a cabinet style. Two different doors, cabinets. You do have to open the right to open the left, so they do open once you open the left one. So, and then you got the drawers here on the left. Pretty nice. It is self closing. And then you got the adjustable bench. This is $3.29. It does have 2 drawers. Really nice drawers. Alright, so onto this vacuum. This vacuum's basically clearance or new lower price. They're trying to get rid of these. So $4.41 is still a really good deal. You're getting a total of 4 batteries on that one. Guys, we got the new pack out deals. I know I made a video the other day, but these are the new deals. Unfortunately, they only have this little piece of paper. I'm gonna go in detail for you guys so you guys would see. You got pretty much get a pack out organizer for $1 once you buy about $219. Those are all the qualifying SKUs. The deal runs up to 7/31/23, and it starts on the 5th. Yeah, the 5/21/23. My bad. I'm really bad with dates. But yeah, it starts next month. It's actually in a few days. And it says while supplies last. I'm pretty sure you guys are able to hack it. There's a whole bunch of stuff to choose from. Guys, I heard that the black tumblers are coming in. I don't know if that's true, if that's a rumor. Let me know in the comment section if you guys heard that rumor that black tumblers are coming into stores. You get the 6-piece wall mount there for $12. I believe and then we got a bin there for $12.98. Some sort of storage bin. And then you got a 22-piece screwdriver set for $29, was $39.98. Now this is a really nice screwdriver set. I really like the grips. It does come with the precision screwdriver, the offset screwdrivers, and it looks like some demolition screw. No, they're not demolition. But yeah, those are really nice grips on that. $7.90 for the gray nitro level 2 cut resistant gloves, down from $9.97. A2, $27, down from $34. This is the work skin from Milwaukee. Dry fast, stay cool. That's it for today, guys. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.